So we'll encourage you to start off with the new folks with one kind of rig, and then we might switch you off either Sunday or later on so that you experiment with other kinds of equipment. It'd probably be pretty cold in the morning, but as Martyn hinted, it's probably better if possible not to wear a raincoat as well.
So diminishing, the act or process or instance of diminishing or decreasing, and then we'll just talk about sound properties and propagation and the way you perceive things, because that's all kind of built into what the physics is doing and how you're then interacting with it, and that affects how we record stuff and how it's perceived by the people that we're going to share it with.
Okay, we're doing a comparison here with MS rig and SAS rig, sound devices recorders, and the new tooling. We're doing a bit of a test with Klaus's new clip-on Omnis, comparing it with the two Olympus recorders, the LS10 and 11, as well as the Sony D50. Well, right now we have a Sennheiser midside rig. Previously we had a SAS array with MKH20 Sennheisers in it. And then we also have the Klaus's new Tulinga clip-on Omnis attached to this tree. And earlier we did a comparison with all three of those. We'll see how the files turn out. And right now we've got these, we're really not sacrificing recorders here, although it looks pretty grim. We're just trying the two different Olympus LS recorders, as well as we have the Sony D50 here. We're trying all those recorders with the plug-in power Omnis.